What is up, YouTube? It is Hooked On with my first ever bass fishing video and my first ever fishing video on this channel. Go ahead, please hit the subscribe button and the like button because I would really need it to help me boost my confidence for more content. I will try to make this as fun as I can for y'all for my first video, which I'm not as good as it, but I have a little experience with it. Now I will try to not upset y'all. I just gotta get I just got these goons out of my spot. So now we can get to the real talking. Now what I'm trying to do here is that's what they were catching the bass on all day. So that's why I'm gonna try to catch a Dinkosaurus on, because they just restocked this pond right here. And if I catch one, it'll be a pretty cool first video, which I really hope we do. Now, they've been catching them over here, mostly. If I don't catch one over here, I'll move spots. My fit for today is extra tufts and some shorts that I got from my friend. Well, actually they're his shorts. Now, last bass that they caught was right around here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finesse something. Now, they just restocked this pond, as I just said, but they restocked it with 30 bass, 30 catfish, 300 bluegill, 300 a lot of other stuff. I just can't really name it all. I don't know if they did crappie. I hope they did, because crappie's pretty good, as the meme's going on. It's crappie, but really trying to grow this YouTube out. So now, yes, I'm a very small creator, and mostly small creators, very boring to watch, but I'm gonna try to make that not as boring. Okay, so I did just buy this rod Saturday, so that's last week. Pretty sure it was May something. Something just took a bit right there, or a bite out of it. The reason why my name's Hooked On, I'll give you a little backstory, is because what do you say when you catch a big fish? Hooked on! So that's, oh, I think something went for it. Somewhere right there. I'm acting like this is a top water bait popper. I'm sure these bass will go for poppers lately. But now, if you want any catfish, go ahead and comment down and below, because I catfish a lot, and actually kayak fishing too, because I'm able to do that. I'm able to do a lot of stuff. Just comment what I should do below, what type of fishing I should do, except for saltwater. Well, I'm able to do saltwater next weekend, and I'll try to keep it mainly weekly. So, alright, backlash, pretty bad look, and some challenges will be going soon. Oh, and shout out to Fletcher and his friends. They're the ones that made me start the video, so I'll put them in the bio. But let's start. I'm gonna go over to that rock over there. up, guys? I'm back. I just had to talk to him real quick because I'm going to go get his fishing pole. And next video is going to be a challenge. Whoever catches the first fish gets $5. So, now, as I was saying, I'm trying to make this as fun as I can. Now, yeah, it's really hard to do it when you're a small creator, but if y'all could just, no, I already said, and I'm probably annoying y'all. Y'all probably, half of y'all probably probably aren't going to stay this long. If you did, you just gained your OG passes to Hooked On Fishing Channel. If you want, I could start sponsoring people that comment. Just really anything, guys. I'm just trying to get famous. I mean, it isn't everyone, but like, I have 7 different accounts. I ain't gonna say them because I don't want to like sponsor them or anything. I just want y'all to understand what I'm trying to do. Now, back to the fishing. If I catch one, I will do the USC Ice Bucket Challenge for fun. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, I'm taking that part out. I'm putting music over there. Okay, so what I'm thinking is they've all caught the bass over here, so I might make my way over to the bushes over there and try to catch one. Oh, I want to see. Oh. Guys, holy cow. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. I was just trying to do like a quick little thing because I wanted to see what it looked like. Clearly did not go as planned. Holy cow, I might need a second. Gosh. I'll try to upload every single video to Friday to Saturday to Sunday. I'm gonna start moving down there after this. gotta watch out for snakes in this area. I mean, definitely snakes and ticks too. Okay, the kid that I'm fishing with might be back. I'm gonna end this video soon because that'll be my next video with him. It's gonna be a challenge. Was that a hit? I think that was a hit. Yeah, I really do think that was it. Yes, so stay tuned for the next video because it's very interesting. As I was saying, yeah, it's probably really annoying. Just, I'm trying to make it out there. If you fast forward, I'm trying to make this as fun as I can for y'all. It's probably not as fun because usually I don't like watching my own videos. So that just shows that it's not really that good, but I try my best. Probably see me right there. I'm gonna go in between these two trees because I've seen so many bass, and I'm pretty sure it's bedding season. I'm pretty sure. That's what I heard. Not sure if that's excuse me, totally correct. Might be, might not be. That's why I'm going around. Alright, there he is. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. What's up? With a bad start. Or with a bad end, I should say. Alright, I'll get 2 more casts in, guys. And I'm gonna go and make the other video. Alright. Yeah, I think so. What? No, I think that was music. Alright, guys.